Hello dear friends, I am Rajinder Jatana. I have brought chapter on pair of linear equations in two variables. Now pair means two. Linear means degree 1. Equation means sign of equal to. Two variables, they are x and y. Now look here, the equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and second equation a2x b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are pair of linear equation in general form. This representation is in general form. Here a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. Look here, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. They are the coefficients. Now examples are 2x plus 3y equal to 5 plus 5 equal to 0. Second equation is 3x plus 5y minus 8 equal to 0. Next is 5x plus 9y plus 14 equal to 0. Look here, these are the coefficients a, b, c. So you have to remember that these two equations, when you are asked to tell the pair of linear equations in two variables, this is the way you have to tell it. Now let us go further. Now how to remember the names, of these four methods. So these are methods of finding the solution. There are four methods. These are illustrated with the help of following mnemonics. GEMS. You people are GEMS. G stands for graphical method. E stands for elimination method. M stands for multiplication method, that is cross multiplication. And S stands for substitution method. Now we shall be discuss them one by one. Let us go further. Geometrically, what does a pair of linear equations mean? This is a big question. Now here, linear, look here, this word linear contains a line. It implies pair of linear equation represent two lines. Pair means two. So there are two lines. These two lines can be drawn in the following ways. या तो देखोगे ये दोनों लाइनें इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं, या सेकंड मेथड है कि ये पैरेलल हो सकती हैं. थर्ड possibility is that they can be coincident lines. So when they are intersecting at one point. Look here, this is the one point. When they are parallel, there is no solution, no intersection is there. So here they are intersecting at one point, it means there is a unique solution. Here there is no solution. Now two lines can be coincident also, that is the third case. So there can be many or infinite solutions. Solution means point of intersection. Here there is one, here is none, and here there are many. यहाँ पे एक है, यहाँ पे अनेक है. एक चिड़िया, अनेक चिड़िया. एक solution, many solution. Now let us go further. So next is whether the system of pair of linear equation is consistent or inconsistent. ये कई बार स्टूडेंट्स को पता नहीं लगता कि कंसिस्टेंट कब होता है, इनकंसिस्टेंट कब होता है. अगर सॉल्यूशन होगा, चाहे वो एक हो चाहे अनेक हो, सॉल्यूशन होना मीन्स कंसिस्टेंट. और सॉल्यूशन नहीं है, अगर पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस दे आर पैरेलल, देयर इज नो सॉल्यूशन, the system will become inconsistent. So this is episode number 1, which I am ending it here. Tomorrow I'll come with episode number 2, how to find these solutions. So you already know there are 4 methods of finding the solution, and their names are in the mnemonic. That mnemonic is GEMS: graphical method, elimination method, multiplication method, and substitution method. With this, I am ending this episode here. Tomorrow we'll come with the next, and I'll tell you all the 4 methods how to find the solution of pair of linear equations. Thank you very much. Please give your comments and go on subscribing and liking the videos so that you are able to keep continuity with the lectures which I am going to give you in future also. Thank you very much. Good night. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you very much.